My name is John Ross and I'm a sales specialist here at Western Products. They had called us about some issues that they're having with their siding. We went out to look at it and assess the situation and what options they had. We measured up the house. We sat down at the kitchen table. I explained our whole process, all of our products, materials, how our installers install stuff. We went through all that and I was able to make a design of their project. And they were able to see that, but then when they came into the showroom, we were able to show big swatches of the colors of the siding that we have, the different profiles, and then together we built the final product. We selected a charcoal on the body of the house, ash in the peaks as accent, and then we did a 6-inch freeze board or belly band, as we call it, around separating the two colors. And then we also did the fascia soffit gutters as well. You know, with every project, we have to look at the needs of the customer and the wants of the customer, fuse those together to make sure the customer is getting exactly what they want and make sure it makes sense for them.